Hi, I'm Marco. I am a director here at 3D Analyzer Software. I would like to welcome you to our new series called Analyzer Academy. The aim of these videos is to show you the 3D Analyzer software process from design to manufacture. We wanted to create an educational series that explains the entire joinery manufacturing process from start to finish. In this video we will be continuing our work on JO2 kitchen island bench shop drawings. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos. As this unit is an island bench unit, I always like to show the unit sitting on the floor. At the moment the unit looks like it is floating. We could have drawn the floor in the 3D drawing. But at this point, it is easier to draw a 2D line to represent the floor. To draw the line in, we should first select a layer. I will use the layer called Dock because that will give me a black line. We draw the line like this and then extend the start point. Do the same thing under the end view. It looks like it is sitting on the floor now. It's a good idea to save your work as you go. Another thing you should always put in the drawings is a job description showing all of the build material specifications. Then if you have to submit the drawing for approval, it can all be ticked off and approved, and you know you have everything covered. There is a description on the architectural PDF that we imported into our model space, so we could probably take it from there. The description is here. I will just copy it. I do this by highlighting the area and pressing Ctrl+C, this places it on the clipboard. Then I will paste it into our layout with Ctrl+V. It comes into our layout at the wrong scale. Our layout is 1/20 scale, and the model space is 1:1 scale. We can rescale the description like this, typing in 0.05 as that is around the 1/20 scale. Now I am moving the description text box into position. It still looks a little big, so we need to rescale it a little bit smaller. Highlight it again and set the scale to 0.8. That looks better. We actually only need the material finish L2 for the base cupboards. That is the natural oak finish so that we can delete the L1 finish. L3 is for the plinths so we can leave it there. Something doesn't look right here. We have to move some of the text over here. This is an island unit, so we don't have a splashback. We can delete the SP1 finish. The ST1 for the stone top is okay, and we don't need P3 for the wall paint color. To make it look better, we can resize the table to a more appropriate size and stretch this part like this. Now that we have the materials entered, we need to list what materials the different parts are. You could use symbols for this or just create a text box like this. We will put this in a layer called tags that is set up for this purpose. The tag layer is green, which helps distinguish the text from the materials on the drawing. We should put the text border in the tag layer as well. Copy the material text box and place it on the plinth, change the text to L3. There is also a stone bench on this unit as well, so we need to label that. The stone is called ST1. You can draw a part indication line like this. Use the Match Part Property command and add the properties of the border rectangle to the new line. We should also rename the sections so it is easier to identify each section of the drawing. This is the plan section, and you change the name like this. You don't really need the scale showing here, so we can delete this. Do the same thing with the cross-section BB. Our detail C is okay as it is. Now it is time to print the drawing. We want to print it as a PDF so we can send it to our architect. Save the PDF to the appropriate folder and print it. Now you have finished the design and specification stage. The shop drawing has to be sent to the architect for approval. Once the drawing has been approved, we will be ready to move on to manufacturing. Thank you for watching the video to the end, and hopefully you were able to follow along and complete your drawing with me. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the next steps. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. Watch the next lesson to continue with the process of creating JO2 kitchen island bench. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson.